What do you think, little red? What do you think, sweetheart? You think you wish the wind would quit blowing? Okay. You go eat your food now. I love you, little chicken. So I walked back here to find these two going at it. I wondered why I'd been seeing feathers everywhere. And now here comes Brewster. He's going to break it up. What are you guys doing? Brewster says, I'll break it up. Yeah, he broke it up all right. Well, I came back here to see my little chickens and gather my eggs. Probably for the last time. I have a lady that's supposed to come and get all of these guys tonight. Either tonight or tomorrow night, but I'm thinking tonight. Because when I move, I'm not going to be able to have them where I'm going, and certainly can't take them with me in the van on a road trip. There's my sweet little red, my little 10-year-old chicken. I'm gonna cry over her. There, sweetie. Oh, this is very hard for me. Even though this move will enable me to be able to live more cost effectively and go south in the wintertime, I'm having a real hard time with some of this. These chickens have been my daily life for the last 10 years. It's gonna be hard to let them go. Well, silly me, I came in after making the chicken video that you're just watching, and I sat down here to eat my dinner, and I'm such a sissy, sitting here crying over my little chickens, especially my little red. She's been my pet for 10 years. Anyway, I don't know if I'll even post this video. I'll see. Maybe. Have a good night, everybody.